I did. I've got my chicken cut up, boneless chicken breast cut up, marinating with teriyaki sauce. Put that in the fridge. Also got my prepared onions and peppers. As you can see, I've got some cornstarch, minced garlic, and some ground ginger for later use. These are what you're going to need. Here's the brand of teriyaki sauce that I use. Depends on what you want to buy. Depends on what you want. This is the brand of teriyaki sauce I use. Then we're going to make some chicken teriyaki. Let's get your oil going in there. Put a teaspoon in there. Okay, we're going to throw in some teaspoon of minced garlic right now. Throw that in. Ground ginger in there as well. And we're going to stir that up a little bit. Now we're going to add our marinated chicken. If I can do this with one hand. Hey, we did it. Let's turn down the heat a little bit. We don't need no oil spots on us. Let's stir that up real good. Get that going in there. Go ahead and add just a little more teriyaki to it. And then stir it up again. Okay, now I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar. That's right, sugar. And a teaspoon right now of cornstarch. Let's add some more teriyaki sauce to it. And let's stir this up a little bit. Right, we added some cornstarch, sugar, and some more teriyaki sauce. Let's stir that up a little bit. Okay, we're going to add the peppers first, since the onions cook faster. Okay, got that going in good. Now we're going to add the onions. Get that going really good. Get our rice going. Alright, as you see, it's sizzling, and we made a bed of rice. So now, I'm going to go ahead and pour this over the rice. Okay. Mix this up a little bit. And there, steaming hot, is your chicken teriyaki. Enjoy.